Hey guys, welcome back to another Unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we are trying out this cordless vacuum, and let me tell you guys, I am excited. So you can use this with your vehicle, you can use this with your boat, your ATV, whatever you want to clean, but I have another use. You can also use this in your home. So I got a good use for this that I'm hoping it does the job, but we're gonna test it out for you guys. So it's by VacLife Cordless Vacuum. So let's go ahead and show you guys what all you get. So guys, this is what it looks like. So pretty nice. You charge it from right here. They give you the cable. This plugs into your wall outlet. You got your on-off button up here. You have a light up here as well. So it's actually pretty bright. So very impressive. To take off your bay, you press this black button on top and that pops. So guys, once you pop that off, as you can see here, this is going to be your dust bay with filter. You just pop this out and you can clean your reservoir there. You can also twist and turn and take this filter out for cleaning as well. Make sure if you make your filter wet that you completely dry it when you're done. They give you these two extensions. So I found this is great for tables and for carpet, while this is good for, you know, if you spill cereal or, you know, stuff like that. Of course, you don't have to use either of them as well. So pretty big opening. Let's go ahead and show you guys how it turns on. So for turning on is actually very simple. You just slide this up. You got a battery indicator light on the top there. So it's actually really nice, but it's great if something's nice. We gotta actually see if it works. So guys, this is my shredding bay, and every time I pull the shredding bay out, as you guys can see, there gets some shredded paper behind it. My goal and my hope is that this works good for that. Turn the light on. As you guys can see, the light works good. Here we go. Wow. Okay. So far, so good. So it looks like we're getting full here. Alright, so it filled up. So now we'll just dump this out into our bin right here. Yeah, but it actually works very well for filling up. I wish the bay was a little bigger, but that's okay. So emptying took me about 20 seconds, if that. So it didn't take me long at all. Yeah, this is gonna work good for what I need it for. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Whatever you guys are gonna use it for, I think it's gonna do a good job. And again, you press this button here, you just pull out the filter, you empty everything inside, you're done. It's that simple, that easy.